wherever you are listening to us all over the world. This is Crypto Empire, and you're welcome once again. All right, so I've been giving you guys an update on a particular concept recently on how you can make huge funds, how you can make reasonable money, you know, involving yourself in Forex and all that. Now, I gave you guys the opportunity to okay, for you, for newbies that don't know anything about Forex and all of that, I told you how you can participate in this. I can trade for you. All you just need to do is to get an account and I'll trade it for you. You get the point. So I've been telling you about PopFam ever since. You are going to get, you're going to subscribe for a PopFam. I'm going to talk about all of that again today. But just before we talk about all of that, let me show you the trades I have taken today, how much I have made today, and I would explain everything to you. So this is one of the Perfume accounts I manage for one of our subscribers. You get the point. Paid for a Perfume, and as of today, I want you guys to check right here. You can see profits. Check how much is there. $5,734. That's how much we have made in dollars today. You get the point. So you might be asking, so if these guys have made $5,734, so have they withdrawn? How do they access the money? Blah 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 and all that. Before the end of this video, I am going to explain all of that to you. I'm going to break down everything to you. So just let me show you. For those of you that know a little bit about Forex, you get the point. What we trade here is synthetic Forex, that's derivative, and we've been able to make huge profits today. You get the point. I told you before, I trade on very high frequency. I'm going to explain something about my trade to you today. You get the point, like my strategy, how I achieve so much success, so much profits daily. You get the point. Check out all of these right here. You can see on just one single trade, we're able to do a profit of 586. We're able to do a profit of 506. Profit of 571, profit of 530, profit of 501. So all those things, when they come together, truly, they will give you up to 5,734. So before the end of today, because I'm actually running some trades now, which I'm also going to show you, before the end of today, at least we should have been able to round this off to about 6,005 or at least 7,000. You get the point. Check out the recent trades we just did. I mean, 300. Okay, check out this trade, for example, on Crash 300. We're able to do a profit of 1,103. You get the point. So let me quickly show you something. Yeah, okay, now check this out, guys. Check this out. Boom, 1,000. Check how much we are presently making on this. You find out that it is moving. Check out this number. It's not stable. It is presently 1067. That's $1,069. Oh, it has closed. Sorry, it closed in profit. Wow, I wanted to show you something. Wait, it has closed in profit. This is it right here. So whenever it closes in profit like that, it comes to this place, this history. You can see I was on trade before. Now I'm coming to history. So it has closed here now, 1,070. I wanted this trade to be on because I wanted to use it to show you something. Although it's a live trade, it's not something I'm supposed to be using to explain. But I just wanted you to experience what I do with these things. Wow, so awesome! It closed. I wanted to show you here. Okay, so let me just see how I can still explain to you. I told you I was going to show you a little bit about of how I run my strategy and all of that. You get the point. Now check this out, guys. So whenever I'm trading this synthetic forex, this synthetic indices, I wanted to just check this out very well and see what I'm doing here. Now look at this. There was something that these indicators gave me. You get the point. They showed me that okay, I should enter this trade at this point in time. So this particular trade I just closed now, I entered the trade somewhere around here. I hope you can see my cursor. So I entered the trade somewhere around here. I was able to get a perfect entry. I was able to get the message perfect entry. So I entered somewhere around here. So I set the take profits to automatically. I set the trade to close somewhere around here automatically, and it closed just now. We all saw it when it closed. You get the point. It closed by itself because I set take profit. I'm going to show you that today again. It closed by itself because I set take profit. You get the point. So when it got to this point, it closed. Normally, whenever I'm trading like that, let me show you my exit point. My best exit point is around this zone. Before this black line coming down, before it touches 50, or when it touches 50, is always my best exit zone. I always like exiting somewhere around this side. for those of you that already know how Forex works, I know you will understand what I'm saying. But for those of you that don't know how Forex works, just calm down and listen to me. You get the point. So at this point, let me use this opportunity to also let you guys know that we run mentorship. You get the point. I run mentorship. If you have probably, let's say, starting from $150, if you have $150, you can bring the, what's it called, fund your account with it. Don't send it to me. Fund your account. That's create an account. I can teach you how to create an account if you chat me up. At the end of this video, in the description of this video, you would see a private chat link to chat me up on Telegram. So if you have $150, minimum of $150, you have $1,000, you have $500, you can input that into your account, and let me trade for you. I can trade for you and we'll make profits daily. At least if you have $150, we should be able to do another extra $150. We should be able to do 2x of the account in a single day. That's if you have $150, you should be able to make extra $150, in a single day. You get the point. Yeah, so I've shown you where I like to exit and all that. I've tried to show you how. I'm not here to teach my strategy actually. I'm just here to show you how this works for me and all of that. You get the point. As a professional trader, I'm actually a scalper. I'm actually a scalper, and um, sorry. Yeah, so I'm a scalper, and what's it called? And I'm able to do so much profits every day. I have my short entry and all that. So quickly check this out, guys. History. Okay, so look at all these trades here. Look at all these trades. You can let me show you something. Look at this boom 1000 here. You find out that all these ones they started with. Can you see this green? Can you see this green line at the extreme end of each trade? You get the point. And look at this white. Look at this white one. Look at this one. This one does not have the green line. You get the point. It's just white. So the difference between all these and this is that I actually set take profit for all of these. Because I already know the perfect point where to exit a trade so that I do not lose the profit I have made. So because I already know where to exit, so I always set. There's a way I calculate and measure and set take profit. So even if I am not active at that point in time, the trade is going to close by itself in profit. Then let me tell you one other thing I do. There's a way I trade. You get the point. Now this is boom 1000. You get the point. So for you to make profits in boom 1000, you get the point. What I do is scalp, and when I say scalp, whenever I scalp boom, that means I sell boom. So as long as this thing continues coming down, I am making profit. You get the point. So how do you set this up? Can you see this now, guys? Can you see this now? I exited the trade. I told you I always exit somewhere around here. So I exited the trade, and check this out. I mean, a baby spike came up. Now I entered the trade somewhere around here. You get the point. What this means is that no matter, even when this spike came up, you get the point, it's still not going to catch up with me, still not going to touch my profit. You get the point, it's still not going to take me out of the trade. It's just going to reduce my profit a little bit. So that takes me to the next thing I wanted to tell you, that I always enter a trade in such a way. I always enter a trade in such a way that um I always enter a boom trade when it is downtrending, and whenever a boom trade is downtrending, the point is that even when a spike comes up, you get the point, it's always a baby spike and it doesn't catch up with me. So how do I do all of this? I use my knowledge of candlestick, price action. I use very strong indicators. Then I combine my 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minute time frame, experience, and I'm able to know the exact point to come in and exact point to go out. You get the point. So by entering this trade somewhere around there and by exiting somewhere around there, I hope you guys saw what happened. I was able to make $1,000, $1,000 plus. You get the point now. So I was able to know that at this point a spike is going to happen. That spike was not going to push me out of the market. Actually, that spike is not going to push me out of the market, but I just had to escape it so that my profit doesn't reduce. If this spike had caught up with me, yeah, so if this spike had caught up with me, you understand, what would have happened was that my profit would have reduced to something around $800. You get the point. from $1,000 to about $800, which is actually not still bad. However, I don't want to even lose a chunk of the profit that I just want to make it all. So let's check how much we have after the $1,000 dropped. So how much is our new profit? Our new profit became $6,804. Remember at the beginning of this video, I told you that at that point in time we're around 5,000 plus. And I told you that before the end of today, you get the point. I was going to do around 6,000 plus or 7,000. You get the point. So I still have two trades running, and those two trades are going to help me make this up uh to 7,000 plus. You get the point. Yeah, so let me see if I can show you other accounts that I'm trading also. Let me see if I can show you other accounts. Okay, this is a small account. Let me see how much we've been able to do on this one today. Okay, on this one, this is a small account, so we're able to do $463 today. So let me see if we have another account. Okay, this is an $11,000 account. Okay, we've been able to do a profit of $4,495 on an $11,000 account. So this right here is actually a all these accounts are not mine actually. Their accounts are managing for people. Actually, they are prop firm accounts. You get the points. So if you don't know what a prop firm is and how you can benefit from it, please go back to watch my last two videos. I was able to explain explicitly what a prop firm is and how you guys can explain how you can benefit from it. Even if you are not a forex trader, even if you don't know anything about forex, how can you still make money from this? How can you still make up to $10,000? Yeah, so in those two previous videos, I was able to explain, in fact, three previous videos, I think. So I was able to explain how you can still benefit from this program of ours, when you're not, um, even when you're not a forex expert. You get the point when you don't know anything about forex and all that. Like, okay, so how can you still benefit from this? You get the point. So I was able to explain everything to you, yeah, explicitly. So please try to watch my last two videos on this channel, and you will get a clear view of how you can be a partaker of this and how you can actually benefit from this. Okay, so let me quickly show you something, guys. Let me quickly show you something. Right here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me quickly show you this. So it says bluefx.co.uk. This is my browser actually. So I want you guys to visit your browser. I want you guys to log onto your browser and check out blue. If you want to make real money, if you are really hungry to make money, then you should do this. bluefx.co.uk. You get the point. So check out this company. This company is a prop firm. So I'm going to use this opportunity to explain what a prop firm is once again. You get the point. So a prop firm is actually a company uh, that gives people that give they give a forex trader. There are companies that give forex traders real money to trade with. You get the point. So after a particular time, probably weekly, yeah, mostly weekly, when you trade with their money, you know, to any profit you make from there, you and the company are going to share the profit. You get the point. Now, why does the concept of a profit, why does it make sense? Now, it's very simple. It makes sense because uh, a prop firm can fund you as much as $25,000. A prop firm can fund you as much as $10,000, as much as $50,000. I mean, as a normal human being, you might not be able to raise as much as $25,000. You might not be able to raise as much as $50,000 on your own. You get the point. So we have a company that can give you that kind of funds. You get the point. So we have a company that can give you that kind of funds, and you trade with it. So I was explaining something in my previous video. I said you on your own could be able to raise probably $100, and you can trade with $100. So imagine that. Okay, try to assume try to remember what I told you some time ago on this video. I said if you have $150, I can trade it for you, and every single day we make extra $150, right? Why didn't I say that we can make $6,000? Why did I say that we can make $10,000 from that $100? Because your capital is actually small, so your equity is small, and the amount of profit you'll be able to make from there would be very minimal. You get the point. So that's where a prop firm comes in. You get the point. Look at all those accounts I showed you the last time. You get the point. See profits of $6,000, $6,800 in one single day. we're able to do a profit of $6,800 in one single day. You get the point? I mean, that's because I am actually trading those accounts on a prop firm. It's a prop firm. A prop firm funded us. They funded us to trade those accounts. So I trade these accounts for people that subscribe through me. You get the point? And we've been able to do a profit of $6,800, today alone. So you now ask, so the money, have you guys withdrawn money and all that? Yes, this is how it works. Um, when you apply for a prop firm account, there are some requirements you are going to, there's some tests you have to pass. Once you pass the test, then they give you a real account, with real money. You get the point? So you now trade with that real money, and that's what I was doing on those accounts I showed you just now. You get the point? And we've been able to make reasonable funds. So every week, that's every Friday to be precise. So a company is going to give us the commission we have on this. You get the point. So how can you benefit from this? It's very simple. Now you don't have up to $25,000 to trade with, obviously. You get the point. However, if you get $25,000, I've just shown you that every single day we can always make let's say about $7,000 on your $25,000. Like every single day, we can always make uh, $7,000 profit, $10,000, sometimes $5,000. Even if it is $2,000 we are making in one day, it is still very much okay. Like $2,000 is big money. You get the point. So even if it is $2,000 we are making every day, and we are going to make that for 1 week, and after the expiration of 1 week, I mean the money is going to be splitted, and I mean the company gives us our own part and they take their own part, and we continue trading the next week again. So that is already awesome. You get the point. This can be an opportunity for you to make it big. You get the point. So I said I was going to show you an example of what a prop firm is, and the prop firm I'm actually showing to you is bluefx.co.uk. So I want you guys to check this out on your own. So check this out. Read everything on their platform to understand what a prop firm actually is. I'm not asking you to go and subscribe to this. Yeah, it's a trusted prop firm, but this prop firm does not, they don't fund synthetic. You get the point. What I trade is synthetic. For those that are Forex traders, I know you understand the difference between currency pairs and synthetic. So this particular prop firm, they only fund, they fund currency pairs and but not synthetic. You get the point. So BlueFX, try to read out everything there. It says instant funding for Forex traders. We provide instant funding for Forex traders, zero loss liability, no demo challenges. Get funded. You get the point. Like it's for people. Okay, look at what they wrote here. For example, it says lack of capital holding you back, growing a small account, blah 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 blah, and all that. So what this is just trying to say, in essence, is that you don't have so much money. You can see this. These are people that got funded. Account size. This guy got an account size of $50,000. They gave him $50,000 to trade with. I'm not saying the company is going to give you $25,000 or $50,000 and you withdraw it and you've made profit. No. What I'm saying is that they give you this amount. They fund you as much as this, to trade with an amount as high as this, and any profit you make from that. I mean, every week you are going to split profits, just like that. This could make you a millionaire within a very short period of time. You get the point. I mean, it's not funny. $25,000 just like that. I mean, if you get $25,000 and you trade for Forex, if you know what you are doing, you will conveniently make $1,000 every single day. You get the point. Like me with $25,000 personally, I am going to make no less than, let's say, about $5,000 every single day. Worst case scenario, probably we'll just do $2,000 every single day, without any risk, without violating any of their rules and all that. Just like that. You get the point. So I just wanted to go through this, and once you've gone through this and you've seen what it looks like, so the next question is, okay, I cannot trade Forex by myself. So how do I benefit from this? So what I'm going to do for you is that I am going to trade the Forex account for you. You get the point. I'm going to trade it for you. You get funded $25,000 real money. I'm going to trade it for you. And when I trade it for you, whatever profits we make from that every week, whatever commission comes to us, then you are going to share that with us. You get the point, on a particular percentage that we're going to agree on. And when you chat me up on just check the description to this video, you would see my you see the link to my private Telegram chat link. Just click on it and chat me up, so I'll tell you exactly how to go about it and all that. You get the point. So, guys, this is an opportunity for you to make it big and all of that. You get the point. So, in case you're a forex trader and you want to benefit from this, you don't want me to trade for you and all that, there's no problem. Also, you get the point. You can also trade this by yourself. You know, all you need to do is to hit me up and I'll give you the information, everything you need. I'm going to give you the information. There's some a little thing you're going to do, so I'm going to give you every information you need, and you are going to get an account fully funded, and you are going to start trading by yourself and making huge funds every week. You get the point. So the reason why I love this concept is that there's no limit to what you can make. It's not an investment platform. An investment platform that will tell you to invest $100 and they're going to pay you $50 every day and all those things. No, it's not those nonsense. You get the point. COTPS and all that. This is not COTPS. This is not an investment platform. It's a forex funding program. You get the point. You must be a forex trader to be able to participate in this. And once you can participate in this, so if you don't know how to go about it, I can trade it for you. Even if you're a forex trader, you get the point. Probably I might be more of an expert on this field than you are. You get it, especially for people who are combining currency pairs with synthetic. I don't combine the two. I focus on only synthetic, and it's been good. Synthetic does not have a closing. They don't close on weekends and all that. You can trade 24/7 every week without any form of obstruction and all that. So I actually love synthetic. You get the point, and that's what I've been doing for a very long time, and that's what I've actually been living on. You get the point. So guys, there are two ways you can benefit from this. The first way is um, you can actually uh, provide an account, create an account yourself, put money inside it, and let me trade it for you. Minimum we can trade for you is $150. You get the point. I can trade $150 for you, and I can give you my assurance that at least every single day we are going to make extra $150, and we'll split this profit. You know, we're going to split this profit, and I mean, the next day we enter a trade again. We'll do the same thing. We'll continue building the account. You get it? But we are going to build the account to an extent where it gets to about $1,000. I mean, it's going to be a very so any amount you have, just bring it. Let us trade together. Or if you want to participate in this, for you to get a $25,000 account, so that you can conveniently make about $3,000 every day, or probably about $7,000, just like you saw in the previous video. Sorry, just like you saw previously in this video. So that you can make as much as that. You know, uh, you can just look for the money for this. Let us get a profit funded account. You get a point, $25,000. You understand? If they give us $25,000, I will do the trading for you, or you can do the trading by yourself. Or if you're curious, if you're one of those people that would like doing things by yourself, you get the point. I can put you through how to trade forex and all of that. I'll teach you from beginning to the end and all that. It's not something you can just start doing instantly. Uh, you are going to have to do some testing and back testing, so much practice and all of that for you to be able to get it perfectly. So I don't know. So if you want to do it yourself, if you're already a forex trader, well, I'll just show you the information you needed. However, if you are not a forex trader, you want to, but you still want to do it yourself, there's no problem. Just hit me up. I will tell you what to do. You get it? Yeah, it will take you time for you to get the full gist and all that. However, I mean, it's not unachievable. You get it? It's just going to take you more time than this would have taken you if I was going to trade it for you. You get the point? And I will be trading for you as an expert. You get the point? So, I mean, so this is a very good one. I mean, guys, this could make you become a millionaire, within just a few days. You understand? Uh, Let me see. Just imagine that let's assume that what we make on this account every day is just $2,000. You get the point? We make just $2,000 on this account every day. And at the end of 7 days, imagine that we've been able to do about $14,000, and they are going to split the profit. Imagine that. Okay, just imagine that when the money finally comes to you, for example, just imagine that what came to you is $5,000 or probably $10,000. Of course, it is possible for $10,000 to come to you because, according to what I did, I mean, $7,000 profits. I mean, you saw that, right? So $7,000 profit. So just imagine if you Imagine that what we like we have in some days we were able to do 7,000, some days we were able to do 5,000, some days we were able to do 4,000 and all of that. You get the point. So you are so sure that $10,000 is going to come to you, at the end of the trading week. So guys, there's no reason not to just jump into this. There's nothing skeptical about it. There's nothing skeptical about it at all. It's a very straightforward and simple what's it called. So that's why I give you analogies. I want you to go through this platform and read about what this is and all of that. So guys, seriously, if you jump on this project, you are going to become very rich. It's something I can assure you. Look at our profit here. It says $4,495 just today alone. You get, just today alone. So just imagine how much that would be in your local currency if you're not a US citizen. So from wherever you are in the world, you can participate in this. You get the point. Check this out. 6,900. Okay, another trade has closed in profit. Okay, no, 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 no. Yes, I think another trade has closed in profit. I don't think this was up to 6,900 before. Okay, I'll check this out after. I'll check it out after the video. You get the point. Yeah, so guys, that's the information I have for you tonight. So I hope you enjoy this. So in your own interest, I want you to subscribe. I want you to subscribe to this channel so that and I want you to click on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any video, any other updates on how to make reasonable funds and all that, you would always be the first person to know about it. You always be aware of it and all that. You get the point. So subscribe to this video, like this video, share this video. If you can't afford this, you can call one of your friends and talk to them about it. Invite people and let us build a huge community of rich people together. You get the point. So your destiny is in your hands, and you can make out the best from your destiny all by yourself. You get the point. The power to become rich lies with you. All you just need to do is to take action. You get the point. Stop procrastinating and all of that. Okay, guys. So we have come to the end of this session, and till we meet again next time. Thank you so much, everybody. I love you guys. I appreciate you. This is Crypto Empire once again. Have a good day, everybody, and take good care of yourself. All right, bye.